Hello children. So let us learn in this class a new chapter about exponents and powers. Okay, exponents and powers. So you all learned about the numbers in mathematics. Is it right? Okay. In your earlier classes. In your earlier classes, we learned about the before chapters. Okay. So integers, rational numbers. So there we are read about the numeral systems. Okay. So we have a numeral system very large. Okay. So we can't measure in that. So we can't denote how much it is. Okay. So we have learned about a very big deal in mathematics. Is it right? So the numeral system is a very big deal. Okay. So we have to write the numbers in Indian numeral system, that is international and international numeral system. So this also you learned in your 6th standard itself. Is it right? Okay. So I thought you all remember that. I hope you all know that. Is it right? Okay. So now let us write the numbers. Okay. How to write? So we are writing in the number by Indian numeral system. Okay. So we have the mathematics. See. So we have the numbers to write, that is ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, okay, lakhs, and then millions, billions. It is going on. Is it right? So we are dealing with the numbers in very large. Okay. So for that we have to write in a short form of the numbers. Okay. So you know how to write the expanded form of numbers and in normal standard form of numbers. Is it right, children? See, we have to write 239. This is a short form. Okay, standard form, not a short form. Okay, so this is a standard form of the numbers. Okay, so that is the Indian numeral system. Okay, so now we have to write this in a expanded form. How to expand this? By the place values. Okay, by its place values. See, 9 is in 1's place, you know that, and 3 is in 10's place, and 2 is in 100's place. Okay, so this numeral system, you know how to expand this. We have to expand this as 2 into, this is in 100's place. So 2 into 100 and plus 3 into 10 and plus 9 into 1. Okay, so you know this. And in rational numbers, we saw how to write the expanded form in a decimal numbers also. Is it right? So if there is a decimal number, 239.14 is there, means we have to write this expansion form as 2 into 100 plus 3 into 10 plus 9 into 1 plus again this 1 into 1 by 10 plus 4 into 1 by 100. So after the decimal places we have the tens, hundreds, thousands. Okay, not tens, tenth, T-E-N-T-H-S. So the first numeral which is after the decimal point we have tens, T-E-N-T-H-S, then hundreds. Okay, so like this we are writing the expanded form. Okay, so for this expanded form we have to write in a standard form of the numbers. Okay, this conversion you know already. Is it right? Now let us write a short form of the numbers. Okay, so if we have, okay, so 10,000. See, 10,000 is there. Okay, so this 10,000 we have to write this in a very short form. How to write? So we have to write in the exponent form. Okay, so this we have to write in 10 into 10 into 10. See, now you have to multiply 10 tens are 100, 100 tens are 10,000. So 100 tens are 1,000. Okay, so 10 tens are 100, 100 tens are 1,000. Okay, so again we have to multiply by 10. So we have 10,000. See, 10 tens are 100, 100 tens are 1,000, and 1,000 tens are 10,000. So now we get this. Is it right? We get the standard number. Okay, so now we have to write this as the exponent power. How to write? So 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 times 10 we have to multiply. We get the answer, that is 10,000. Okay, so we have to write 10 to the power of 4. 10 to the power of 4. See, in exponents, so what is the exponent? How to define exponent? How to define exponent? By example. How to define the exponent or a power? The exponent or a power denotes how many times we have to multiply the base number. Okay, so that is called it as exponent. The number which denotes how many times we have to multiply the base number is called exponent or power. Okay, power of a number. Now we have the components. So this is a base number. Base number. Okay, and this is a exponent number. Exponent or power. Exponent or power, we can say this that. Okay, so this is base and this is exponent or power. Okay, now we are taking, see, 10 to the power of 4. So we have to multiply 10 as 4 times. Okay, so 10 we have to multiply 4 times. See, 10 into 10 into 10 into 10. So 4 times we are multiplying 10. So we get 10,000. So we have to write 10,000 in the short form. That is exponent form as 10 to the power of 4. That is correct now? Is it right, children? Okay. So now we have like this. Okay. As the same, we have to take another number. Okay. So 10,000 we are taking 0. It is easy. Is it right? I am taking now 125. 125. So how to write this? We have to take the LCM method by trying factorization. Okay. So now see. 125. We have to take the LCM. Okay, so we are taking 5. So 5 2s are 10, balance 2, 25. 5 5s are 25. See again 5 5s are 25. See how many 5 is there in LCM? See 5 into 5 into 5. We get 125. Is it right? Okay, see 5 5s are 25. 25 5s are 125. 5 5s are 25. 25 5s are 125. So we have to write this as how many times 5? 1, 2, 3. So what is the base number here? 5. So what is the base number here? 5. Okay. So what is the exponent here? How many times we have to multiply the 5? Multiply the base number 5. We get 125. How many times? 1, 2, 3. So we are getting 3 times. So the exponent 5 power 3, we have 125. Okay. Understood, children? So the short form of the number 125 is 5 power 3. The short form of number 125 is 5 power 3. So we have to write the short form by using the exponents and powers of the numbers, given numbers. Okay, so let us learn this in this chapter. Okay, briefly. So then you have the example problems in this. Okay, so you have example problem, that is example 1 in page number 99. Okay, so I hope you all understood by these two examples. Okay, now let us move on to the example problems. So example 1, express 256 as a power 2. Okay, so example 1. See example 1. 256. Express 256 as a power 2. So power 2 means not an exponent here. Okay, so we have to take this 2 as a base. Okay, so 2 as a base. How much times we have to multiply 2? Okay, how many times we have to multiply 2 and we get the answer 256. So that we have to write in the power of the base number 2. So for that, how to find out that? By the LCM. Okay, so by taking LCM of the number 256, we get the power of the base number 2. Okay, so 256. As the same, we have to take the LCM here by only the base number 2. Don't take any other 8, 4, that and all. Okay, so ma'am, we know 4. Okay, so 4 also it can be possible, but don't take 4 and all. Okay, so we have the base number 2 itself. Okay, so we have to take LCM by only the base number 2. Okay, so 2, 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, balance 1 16, 2 eights are 16. Then 2 six are 12 and 2 fours are 8. Again 2 threes are 6, 2 twos are 4. So again 2. So 2 ones are 2, 2 six are 12. So 2 ones are 2, balance 1. So 12, 2 six are 12. So again 2 eights are 16. So again 2 fours are 8. So again 2 twos are 4. Okay. Now see how many times 2 has multiplied. We get the final answer 256. How many times? You have to count here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So 2 power 8. So how many times we have to multiply the base number 2? We get 256. How many times? 8 times we have to multiply 2 and then we get the final answer 256. Okay. So therefore 256 as a power prime factor, that is 2 power 8. Okay. So now we have to calculate this. Okay. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 is there now. So here 2 twos are 4, 4 twos are 8, 8 twos are 16, 16 twos are 32, 32 twos are 64, 64 twos are 128. So 128 twos are 256. So we get the final answer, is it right? So the short form of 256 is, we have to write 2 to the power 8. Or otherwise we have to write, see it is given 256 as a power 4 also it can be given. Okay. So if it is 4 is given means we have to take LCM by this number, by the base number 4. Okay. So what is the question? Okay. You have to see the question first, then you have to start answering. Okay. So many children, it is having very heavy, is it right? So seeing once a question, then you have to answering it. So then you done a mistake. Okay. So there is a chance to do the mistakes there. So see the question, then you start answering this. Okay. So based on this you have another sum. Okay. So this is example 2. Which one is greater? Okay. So in example 2 it is given which one is greater. So it is given the numbers 2 power 3 or 3 power 2. Okay. 2 power 3 or 3 power 2. See, 2 power 3 or 3 power 2. So which is greater? Okay. So you have to remove the exponents here. Okay. So you have to multiply and see which is greater. See, 2 power 3 means we have to multiply the base number as 3 times. Okay. So which is the base number here? 2. So we have to multiply 2 into 2 into 2. So that is 2 twos are 4, 4 twos are 8. See, this is 3 square. So here 3 is the base number. We have to multiply the base number as 2 times. 3 square. The exponent is 2. Okay, the exponent is 2. So the base number is 3. We have to multiply the base number as 2 times. So 3 into 3. So we get 3 threes are 9. So which is greater? 8 is greater or 9 is greater? 9 is greater than 8. Is it right? So 9 is greater than 8. So we have to conclude 3 square is greater than 2 power 3. Okay. 3 square is greater than 2 power 3. Okay. So we have to find out like this. Okay. By using exponents and powers. Okay. And example 3. Okay. That is also here the same. Which one is greater? 8 square or 2 power 8. 8 power 2 or 2 power 8. Which is greater? So try it yourself in your rough notebook. Okay. Then example 4 it is given. Expand a cube b square and a square b cube. B square a cube. B cube a square. Are they all same? So all the given number, that is exponent. Okay. That expressions are same or not, we have to find out. Okay. So how to find out? As the same here, the numbers we are multiplying by the exponents now. So that like that only we have to write and see. Okay. See, expand a cube b square and a square b cube and then b square a cube and b cube a square. Okay, so here we have a cube b square. So in this we have a into b into b. Okay, so 3 times a and 2 times b. Okay, and see here next one a into b into b. So why? Because here a is 2 times, b is 3 times. Okay, so here a is 3 times and b is 2 times. So these two are different. See here, that is b into a into a. So a is 3 times and b is 2 times, as like this. Okay, and then this is b into b into a into a. See, this is same as this. Okay, but the expressions here, the variables are exchange their places. Okay, replaces their places. See here a cube b square. So here also a cube b square, but it is given b square a cube is first. B square is first, then the a cube. Okay, so but these two are same and these two are same. But so these two are different. Okay, so that is a cube b square and b square b cube. These two are different. So all the expressions which is given, that is not same. Okay, so we have to write by explaining like this. Okay, children. Okay, now next example 5. Okay, so example 5, express the following numbers as a product of powers of prime factors. Okay, so I told already we have to write the prime factor, powers of the prime factors. We are taking LCM of the given number. Okay, I do 2 sums in this. Okay, totally they give 4 sums in this. Okay, I do 2 sums. One is I did at the first. Okay, based on that. Okay, other 2 you have to write in your rough notebook. Okay, children. See here 72. Okay, the first one is 72. We have to take LCM for 72. So what is the LCM of 72? We have to take the small prime factor. Which is the smallest prime factor? 2. Okay, so we have to take 2. So 2 3s are 6. Balance 1. Okay, so 12. 2 6 are 12. Then also we have to take 2 itself. 2 only. So 2 1s are 2. 1 balance 16. 2 9s are 16. Okay, so other than this, sorry, 2 8s are 16. Okay, children. So 2 8s are 16. Then also we have to take 2 9s are 18. Okay, so then 9 doesn't comes in the 2 table, is it right? So we have to take 3. Next 3 as a prime factor. So 3 3s are 9. Okay, 3 3s are 9. So we have to write this as, that is 2 into how many times? 1 2 3 times 2. So 2 into 2. Then we have 3. So 2 times 3. 3 into 3. So this we have to write in the powers of prime factors. Okay, so that is 72 equals to 2 power 3. How many times 2? 1 2 3. So 2 power 3 into how many times 3? 1 2. So 2 power 3 into 3 power 2. Okay, so this is the powers of the short form of the given number as in the form of prime factors. Okay, so like this we have to do the another one. 432. 432. So this also we have to take the LCM here. Okay, so that is it is given in your textbook. Okay, see, that is we are taking 2. Okay, 2 2s are 4. Then 2 1s are 2. 2 6s are 12. Again 2 we are taking. So 2 1s are 2. So 1 is not coming in the 2 table. Is it right? So we have to write 0 here. If you forget to write 0, the sum is totally wrong. Okay, so 0. Then we are giving this 1 to the other number. So 16. 2 8s are 16. Now see, 2 into 108, we get 216. If you have forgot to write 0 here, you are writing only 18. So 2 18s are 2 18s are 36. Okay. So 2 18s are 36. We are not getting 216. Okay. So this is totally wrong. So you have to write again 2. 2 5s are 10 and then 2 4s are 8. Okay. See, you should cross check your answers. 54 into 2 we get 108. Okay. Then again we are taking 2. 2 2s are 4. 2 7s are 14. So this 7 in ones place. This is not comes in the 2 table. Is it right? See the ones place. If it is an even number, it comes in the 2 table. If it is an odd number, it does not comes in the 2 table. So for that we have to take 3. Okay. Again the next prime is 3. So 3 is not come. 2 is not comes in the 3 table. So we have to take 2 numbers at a time. So 3 9s are 27. 3 9s are 27. Again we are taking 3 3s are 9. Okay. So then you have to write 432 equals to. So how many 2 we are multiplying here? See 1 2 3 4. So 4 times 2. So 2 to the power of 4. Okay. Into multiplied by 3. How many 3 is there? So 1 2 and 3. So 3 to the power of 3. 3 to the power of 3. How to read the exponents? Okay. So that is the way. 2 to the power of 4. 2 to the power of 4. 3 to the power of 3. So 2 to the power of 4 into 3 to the power of 3. Okay. So as the same, have the another more 2 sums also it is there in that example 5. So try it yourself in your rough notebook. Okay, children. Then example 6. Okay. In example 6 they are given work out 1 to the power of 5 minus 1 to the power of 3. Okay. So this is the same problem. Okay. So if it is in a subtraction or addition, how to write? Okay. So work out 1 to the power of 5. See 1 to the power of 5. So 1 to the power of 5 means we have to multiply the base number into how many times? 5 times. So it is given the power is 5. So we have to multiply the base number as 5 times. See, that is 1 into 1 into 1 into 1 into 1. See 1 2 3 4 5. How many times? If it is multiplied by 100 times also, we are getting 1 to the power of anything. Okay. How many times also? That the answer we are getting it as 1. Okay. And then it is given next is 1 to the power of minus 1 to the power of 3. Minus 1 to the power of 3. Okay. If it is there as sign, minus sign, carefully you have to multiply here. So how many times here the base number has to multiply? The power is 3. So the base number minus 1 has to multiply by 3 times. See, 3 times. See, minus 1 into minus 1 into minus 1. See, 3 times. See, minus into minus. First you have to multiply the sign. Okay, first you have to multiply the sign. Then you move on to the numbers which is there. If it is another number 3, 4, 5, any number it is there. First, any number is there to exponent form. Okay, you have to write like this. And first thing you have to multiply the sign. Then you have to move on to the number. Okay, see, minus into minus, plus, plus into minus, minus. So that is equals to the answer in minus. Then 1 into 1, 1 into 1. So any times we are multiplying 1 also, we are getting the answer is 1 itself. So the answer is minus 1. So here, see, minus 1 to the power of 3 is there. Okay, so the power or exponent is comes here in the minus numbers. That is the negative numbers is coming in the base. If the exponents are odd numbers, the answer must be in negative. The answer must be negative. If the exponents are in even numbers, the answer is in positive. Okay, so this concept you have to keep it in your mind. See, we are taking the negative numbers as a base. The negative base means we are taking the power numbers or odd numbers. Okay, the power of that base number, the power of that negative base number is having odd number. The answer in the form negative. The power of the negative numbers is even. The power of the negative number, negative base number is having even numbers. The answer is in the form positive. Okay, children. So let us see one more sum based on that. Positive, okay, the even power. See, minus 5 to the power of 4. Okay, so we have to multiply the base number as how many times? 4 times. See, minus 5 into minus 5 into minus 5 into minus 5. See, 1, 2, 3, 4 times. Okay, so if there is a negative numbers, we are multiplying now. First, you have to multiply the sign. Okay, see, minus into minus plus. Plus into minus minus, minus into plus, minus into minus into minus plus into minus, minus, minus into minus, plus. Okay, so first see carefully, again minus into minus, plus. Okay, so this plus is multiplied into minus, we are getting minus itself. So minus into minus, plus. Okay, so we have to multiply the sign first in the negative numbers. So then we have to multiply the 5. Okay, the numbers. Okay, so that is 5 5s are 25. So 25 5s are 125. So 125 into 5, 625. So the value of minus 5 to the power of 4. The value of minus 5 to the power of 4 is 625. Is it right? Okay, understood, children. So based on this you have exercise problems. So exercise 13.1, page number 100 and 101. Okay, so try it yourself in your rough notebooks. I'll send the notes to your WhatsApp. Cross check your answers and write down link in your class box. So don't forget to